Have you ever been texting a girl, everything seems to be going great, and then boom, she suddenly starts ignoring you? No replies, no engagement, just cold silence. And you're left wondering, if she liked me, why is she ignoring me? I know that sinking feeling. But here's the shocking truth. Most guys completely misunderstand why this happens. Today, I'm going to break down 6 powerful reasons why she's ignoring you, even if she likes you. And at the end, I'll share the #1 mindset shift that will change how you see attraction forever. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's dive in. Ignoring texts, acting distant or pulling away can feel like mixed signals. But what if I told you it's not random? There's a reason behind her behavior, and once you understand it, you'll stop feeling lost and start navigating attraction with confidence. In this video, I'll reveal 6 key reasons why she might be ignoring you, and, more importantly, how to handle each one. Stay with me till the end, because I'll also share a game-changing mindset shift that will put you ahead of 99% of guys. All right, let's get into reason number 1. Step 1. She's testing your confidence. Women are naturally drawn to confident men. Sometimes when she ignores you, she's subconsciously testing your reaction. Do you panic and double text? Do you get needy or insecure? Or do you stay composed? The best move? Don't chase. Stay cool, focus on your life, and let her see that you're not fazed. Confidence is key. Next up, this one might surprise you. Step 2. She's unsure about her feelings. Attraction isn't always straightforward. Sometimes she likes you, but she's unsure if you're the right guy for her. Instead of giving you mixed signals on purpose, she might be pulling back to figure out how she really feels. The key here, give her space. Don't pressure her. Let her come to you when she's ready. And speaking of space, that leads us to reason number 3. Step 3. She feels overwhelmed. Maybe she's dealing with stress, school, work, family, personal issues. Sometimes ignoring you isn't about you at all. The mistake most guys make, taking it personally. Instead, show understanding. A simple, "Hey, hope you're doing okay," no pressure to respond, can do wonders. But what if she's ignoring you for a completely different reason? Let's talk about that next. Step 4. You're coming on too strong. Ever feel like you're the one always texting first, always pushing the conversation? That can make her feel overwhelmed or even pressured. Attraction should feel natural, not forced. So if you sense you're doing too much, pull back a little. Give her room to chase you. And this next reason, it's something that almost no one talks about. Step 5. She wants to see if you have other options. Women are attracted to high-value men. If she thinks you're too available, she might ignore you just to see how you react. Do you have other things going on, or are you just waiting around for her? The key: have a life outside of her. Passion, purpose, social life. This makes you more attractive than any text ever could. And finally, this last reason might sting a little, but it's the most important one to understand. Step 6. She's just not that into you. Sometimes we have to face the truth. She might like you, but not enough. If she truly wanted to talk to you, she would. No one is too busy for someone they're genuinely excited about. If this is the case, it's okay. Don't chase. Don't force it. Walk away with confidence, because the right girl will reciprocate. And now, here's the mindset shift that will change everything for you. The biggest mistake guys make is putting all their emotional energy into one girl. When you focus on yourself, your purpose, your growth, your confidence, you naturally attract the right women. The key: stop trying to win one girl over. Instead, become the kind of man that women naturally want to be around. When you do that, you'll never have to chase again. So, let's recap. If she's ignoring you, it could be 1. She's testing your confidence. 2. She's unsure about her feelings. 3. She's overwhelmed with life. 4. You're coming on too strong. 5. She wants to see if you have other options. 6. She's just not that into you. No matter which one it is, remember, your power lies in focusing on yourself. When you build your confidence and purpose, the right women will naturally be drawn to you. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button, drop a comment sharing your thoughts, and subscribe for more mindset and attraction insights. And if you want to be part of a supportive community of like-minded men, join our discussion in the comments. Until next time, stay strong, stay confident, and keep leveling up.